and we will be doing it. And finally, we'll be starting with a 10 and working our way down. And we've got my new house. Plug that back in. Just plug it in. Look how fully functioning this is. The last one. So this is number 10. And I'll show you the seed. So this is number 10 of the top 15 seeds. Yeah, pretty cool. So you shouldn't spawn like in this place. It's like somewhere around here, and you would follow the stream to go to here. And this was what in there, in the... And yes, there are 2 villages. One there and one there. And yeah. And the one for this is minus 11 4373476. So that is the one I'm on right now, currently. And if you guys I'm doing a thing. If you comment something down below that maybe I could do for the series is what I'm doing right now, we'll get to join my games like this. And number 9. Yeah. So this is it. And oh yeah, little Minecraft ocean here, little ocean there. There's meant to be some 2. Oh yeah, there's meant to be 2 jungle temples somewhere by a lake. And yes, I know there's a lot of lakes. It's annoying because I can't. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. So cool. Don't think it's here. So yeah, I can't find it. If you can find it, and then send the picture on the thing. I'm very annoyed. I'm really disappointed for you guys. I bet you're disappointed because now we can't find it. No, it's back at... So that seed is minus 21,099,43162. Then you should be on here. And then let's go to number 8. What was that number 8? 10. Oh yeah, so number 7. Some of these I can't really remember, but some of them I can. Hope I can. Whoa. Oh. So I can't remember what this would be. What is this? Comment down below if you know what the seed is for this. Okay, so over here. Oh, I know what this is. So technically it's like a big, like massive mountains. Little lake. Wait, I think I know what this is. Wait, isn't this the one where you have to put slash locate stronghold? Stronghold. So Okay, so it says there. So slash TP. Wait, so what was it? Minus 1024 slash E164 64 was it? Wait, what? Let's go into T. Oh, okay, so slash TP AP minus 1064 640. Wait, what? Flip. Okay, so I'm actually going to write it down last time. So let's just get some signs quickly. So that I can like remember. Yes. So 1024. Remember, I have to remember the minus. 640 was it? So if I go back in T, 1024, 640. I'm sorry. TP. Oh yeah. Slash TP AP minus 1024 640. Wait, what? Oh, I guess. No, I have. So I guess I have to do that. So, okay, that's pretty simple. So we can just wait. Do that. I think it was that. Y. Oh, what was it? Oh yeah. Question mark. Was it that? Probably was. Yeah. So slash T T P. Oh, probably A S 1 2 6 40. Got that minus 1 0 2 4. And then apparently I have to do that. Y question mark. And then 6 40. What? That's weird. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. What? Unless that was 1000 world. So you can explore. I think it's just the mountains. So let's just go off. I'll show you it. So minus 55,630,9699. So never full screen. What? Whoa! Oh no no no. No. That is weird. Not having that, guys. The hell? No 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 no. That's too much. We cannot have that. outer selection. Show advanced video setting. Okay. 4. Whoa. Render distance to 100. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Okay, we're keeping it like that for now so you can see further, way further. Whoa! So we're gonna do that. We still got about like 20 to go. So 10. Oh, 10, 8, 6. Okay, I'm not very good at counting. So I'm just gonna like, okay, so that was number 10, 8, number 6, so that's number 5. Oh yeah, oh, this is probably the place. So -2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 9, 6, 6, 7, 9. Oh, oh, yeah. So this, when you go over here, I think it might be. So I don't know what most of these are. Oh my god. Yeah, that's how good my mouse is. So, sorry guys, I don't know most of these. I copied them off EY Stream. And then I forgot what they were, so. Now we got 4. What's this? Oh yeah, 1754. So they're really similar. You know these 1754, the really short 4-number ones? Yeah. Wait, what do you do in them? Oh my god, I'm such a dumb YouTuber. You should not subscribe. I'm so stupid. Ugh. Oh yeah. So this is actually really rare. So there's a mushroom place. You don't see that every day. Mushroom. What's it called? Island or whatever. And this is like, no, this is literally impossible unless you do the seed. Look at this. Look at it. It's a glitched. So technically, it's meant to be over here, but it's impossible to go over there and have a thing. It's just so cool. Yeah. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's see what they got. See what they got. Whoa! So that's 6 pieces of obsidian, 4 pieces of that, and 2 pieces of gold in here. So I need to go and let's do a part 2 to this. So I'm just gonna build a house out of this to show I've been here. Make a flag quickly. People of the world, I've been here. People of the world. Best storage place, because no one can touch it. Apart from you. So, that's all. And there's going to be a part 2.